Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to give you a few tips and tricks about how to market your bath and body products. So the first thing you need to do is figure out the type of population you want to sell to. For example, if you want to sell to middle-aged women, you should focus on marketing your products that have anti-aging properties. If you want to market to young adults, try to focus on the products that have skin brightening, dark circle eliminating properties. So once you know what type of population you want to sell to, you need to choose your marketing platform. You can either choose from Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube. You can even contact some influencers so they can promote your product in their pages, and maybe even talk to storefronts so that they can put your products in display. The most important thing about this is that you think outside the box. Try contacting cruises, try contacting the booth stands in malls, try contacting restaurants, bigger brands that you might be surprised that they would be willing to sell you products. So number 4 is try collaborating with bigger brands. This might or might not pay you for your products, but you will get a lot of exposure. Some of the brands that might be good ideas are the ones who do monthly box subscriptions. You can try contacting them, or they usually contact you. Number 5 is participate in local craft fairs. You might not sell a lot as you might think you would. Keep in mind that word of mouth goes a long way. I participated in a few local craft fairs, and the people who have bought from me have kept recommending me to other people in other pages. So I've gotten a few newer buyers thanks to word of mouth. So number 6 is actually very important if you're going to do online marketing. Your branding needs to be on point. And by branding, I mean your logo, the way you package your soaps, the way you present them. It needs to catch people's attention. It needs to make people say, wow, I really want to try this. It looks really nice, or the ingredients sound really nice. You need to really sell the product, because since people don't have the product in hand, then they'll be a little more sketchy buying from you. So number 7 is actually linked to number 5, the local crafts fairs one. You should give out samples to locals around you. A lot of people like free stuff, and not everyone is up to buying $10 soap if they're not sure they're gonna like it. So try giving out samples. You can also sell those samples for $1–2 depending how big you make them. Like I said, word of mouth goes a long way. So those are all the tips I have for you today. You can also try contacting bigger YouTubers on your local area, if you have any, to try collaborating with them, making videos with them, and some of them might say yes, others might be too shy to actually approach other people that way, but you don't lose anything by asking or trying or sending emails, making calls. Just put yourself out there, really try. So I put together this video so it'd be a lot easier for people to actually have all these research tips in one video. Most of these things I've figured out along the way, and some things I found on Google. So you can just Google whichever one you like the best and research more in depth about the subject. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more tips that have worked for you, leave a comment down below and let's help each other out.